Hi, I'm Joy. If you've been following my channel, you may remember that I did a couple of videos sharing with you some of the apps that I use on my Apple Watch to control my Tesla Model 3. I do have a cellular version of Apple Watch. While those apps work really well, there have been times when I would be in an underground parking or at a very spotty cell phone signal location where this just won't connect. When I go run errands or when I go work out, I prefer to just run around with my Apple Watch and also control my car. But in addition to having my Apple Watch, I've always had to also keep my Tesla key card as a backup just in case. I really want to eliminate carrying this card, especially when I go to my Pilates classes where I don't want to carry anything, just this. So thankfully, my good friend, Johnna Crider, some of you may have heard of her. She is a writer for Teslarati, and she has interviewed Elon Musk on her podcast. She also is an amazing creative jewelry artist. So she partnered with this company called Knick that makes really fabulous Tesla key fobs. So I ordered a custom bracelet off of her website. I am linking her website information here on the screen and also in the description. She does, like I said, amazing work. You can completely customize your bracelet like I did. And the turnaround time was really fast. I received my bracelet within a week and it is beautiful. So I want to share with you the unboxing of my bracelet, showing you what it looks like, the setup of the bracelet, and also testing out of my Tesla key fob bracelet. Oh, sorry, before I go further, I do want to point out that there are these Tesla key fob rings on the market for the last year or so. I did not want to get them because they are really bulky looking and they're just too manly and masculine looking type of key fobs that I, as a woman, they're just not attractive to me. So keep watching. This is the custom Tesla key fob bracelet that I got from Johnna Crider's website. It is so beautifully packaged and I am so excited to open this up. Johnna has partnered up with Knick and they make Tesla rings, but they also have made these little key fobs, which I will show you in a bit. And Johnna made them into beautiful bracelets with her minerals and stones jewelry that she's been selling online. So let's open this up. This is so nice. I love it. Ooh, and Johnna gave me something extra, just a little collection of the different gems and minerals that she has in her stock. I'll play with these later, but let's take a look at my bracelet. This is the one that I designed. So yes, you can totally customize it for your own preference. So for this one, I selected onyx, rose quartz, and iron pyrite. I wanted to do a pink and black theme, but accent with gold. So I really love it. And this is a Knick key fob. I will also show you guys how to set this up. But from what I learned from their website, this is premium wood, and then there's the the key fob chip, I guess, that's embedded in here. So now when I am not carrying my phone, I can just wear this with my Apple Watch, and especially when I go work out, and I can simply just tap this on my car to open and close my Tesla Model 3. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is so pretty. Now, let me put this on for you. So this is a very simple hook. Just unhook it. Ta-da! How gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness. So this is sterling silver wire that Johnna did, or the option that I chose actually. So it's very easy to secure it, and I am very confident that this is not going to fall off when I do my Pilates or I'm running errands. And also I did tell Johnna my wrist size. I wear Pandora bracelets, so I just told her the normal Pandora bracelet size that I wear and gave it to her, and she just made it to spec. Now I'm going to set it up. I'll show you how to set this up, and let's try it on my Model 3. Okay, now I confirmed the fit of the bracelet. Let me show you how to set this up and get it working with your Tesla. In order to set up your new Tesla key fob, you of course would need the key fob itself and your Tesla key card. You will only need to use this once to get this set up. And what you would do is you would come over to the car menu, you go over to locks, the plus sign here, and then it's going to say scan your key card behind cup holder to begin. And this is where you normally would tap your key card right here. So let me see if I can capture the whole thing here for you. I am going to simply place this here, and then I heard that sound, and now it says tap existing key card to approve pairing. So I use this and I tap, and voila, that goes away. And now there is this unknown key that showed up, and I'm going to rename it to bracelet. Save. And that's it. This is how you would pair your new Tesla key fob with the car. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Right now my car is unlocked. In order to lock or unlock the car, you would tap your new key fob in this area on the side pillar of the driver's side, right below the camera, just as you would a Tesla key card. So let's give it a try. And by the way, there are two sides to the key fob. So this side has a beautiful wood grain pattern to it. So I'm going to test both sides and see how well they work. So let's try the wood grain side first. There we go. Works really well. So now let me flip this over. And this is the complete smooth side, and see if the car is going to unlock. So let's try. There we go. So now this is unlocked, and what you can do, which is really cool, is you come into your car and step on the brake, and the car starts as normal, just as you would a regular Tesla key card, and you do not have to tap your key fob or key card here again in order to operate the car. So really wonderful invention. I am so thrilled. I can now just wear this along with my Apple Watch cellular version to run errands or just when I go work out and I'm not carrying my phone. So this makes locking and unlocking the door much faster than the cellular version, because sometimes I will be at a spot where the signal isn't very strong, so it would take probably like 10 seconds for my car to respond, versus walking up to the car, tapping on the pillar, and boom, my car works. There you have it, my very own customized Tesla key fob bracelet. Just gorgeous. I love this so much. Just love this, love this, love this. So now, ladies, you can get yours at gettingstoned.online and go to Johnna's shop to grab yours. Thank you so very much for watching. I will see you in the next video, and God bless you.